Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the best free Bonelab games that you can check out for yourself. So the best free kind of like the alternative to Bonelab that features similar physics based combat, sandbox interaction, and even like the modding capabilities. So this is actually like the first one that you can actually check out for yourself. Is called the Downshot. Now the Downshot, what is great about it is that frequently said as the closest free alternative to Bonelab. So I highly recommend you to actually like check it out, and maybe you will like it. Also the physics playground, this is something that also you can check out for yourself, and maybe you will like it. So physics playground, sandbox game on a side quest for experimenting with weapon physics. And also another one is called Battle Talent Demo. So this is like also a great one for you to check out. So while the full game is paid, the demo offers extensive modding support and high quality melee physics. And another one is also Hibo. So Hibo is also interesting one only because it's a free fast-paced shooter on Ablab with intense movement and bow gun combat. So for kind of like the action. So this is like great one too, and maybe you would like it. So yeah, that's like the alternatives that you can actually check out, and have a great day and goodbye.